Hello students, welcome to Short of Search classes. Welcome to Short of Search classes. In our today's video, we are going to talk about some past year questions from very prestigious IIT JAM Geology papers. So this video is on geology. So geology is a subject which is very demanding nowadays and very high rated subject, and a lot of candidates are sitting for this exam, not only in IIT but in other institutes as well. So this exam is getting its importance, is increasing its importance in the academic field nowadays. So this is very important for us also, so that we provide you with some study materials and kind of question answers regarding these things, so that you can crack your IIT JAM exam of the geology, and we are here to help you. So that's why we have come with some past year questions paper with our geology faculty, and we'll help you to solve the past year papers, because solving past year paper is very important. It's a very important part of any very important part of preparation of any competitive examination, because it will give you an idea about the type of questions. It will give you an idea about the type of questions which is going to come in the examination, and it's been a lot of time that students go for exam and they were not familiar with the type of questions they are facing, and in the examination hall, when different type of questions come and when difficult questions come, they feel very unfamiliar and they feel it difficult to crack. So it's better you get familiar and get accustomed with the type of questions which they are going to give in the exam, and be prepared for that. And for that you need to practice past year papers a lot. The more you will practice the past year papers, the more benefit you will be getting. So it's important to practice past year question paper, and all the questions you won't be able to solve it by your own. That's why we are here for your help, and we'll solve it for you. And that's why in this video is known as VVIV, very very important video. And in this video we will not give you only the answers, since it is an MCQ type of paper. So we'll not only tell you the answers that whether A, B, C, D is right. We will give you full explanation. We will give you full explanations of each and every question, full explanation, full solution or complete solution we will provide it to you. So it's going to be very 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 important for all of you, because you will be getting full solution. And it's my kind request that you people sit with your pen and paper, so that you can jot all the points down, and it will help you before exams, and so that you will go through those notes, and you will revise the things in a very short span of time. So full solution will be giving you with step-by-step explanations. That is also important, and step-by-step explanations, because it will clear your concept. It will clear your concept, and will also help you with time management. Will take that approach which is less time consuming, so that you can solve all the questions in the given amount of time. That's very important, that if you can complete the paper or not. Suppose you are able to solve all the questions, and the boy or the girl sitting next behind you or beside you is also able to solve all the questions, but that particular boy or that particular girl is able to solve that questions in a less amount of time than you are doing, then he will be benefited in that examination. And that's very common thing. So you need to increase your speed as well, and for increasing your speed, first of all you need to change your strategy, change your approach, how you are approaching the question, how you are trying to solve the question. That is important. If you can do that, it will be very beneficial for you in the long run as well. So time management will also be covered, and we will also cover some theory part, and if diagrammatic representations are required, then we will also cover those part as well. So everything is going to be there in this video. So this is going to be a very important video for all of you. So please watch this video till the end, and let's start solving the questions. So the first question is going to come on your screens now. Let me put the question on the screen before you. So this is the question on your screens. Let me read the question first. The question goes something like this: which of the following mineral assemblages characterizes blue schist facies metamorphism of a mafic rock? Options: glaucophane plus lawsonite, hornblende plus plagioclase plus minus epidote plus minus garnet, omphacite plus garnet, phagite plus chloride plus garnet. Okay, so this is the question. So let's solve this question. Let's find the answer to this question. Now, what is the blue schist? A blue schist is a fine to medium grained foliated metamorphic rock dominated by the glaucophane, crocite or ribikite. So let me write it down, okay, so that it will be more beneficial for you. So a blue schist is a fine to medium grained foliated metamorphic rock dominated by glaucophane, crocite or ribikite. Okay, they also frequently contain lawsonite, epidote, albite, quartz. I think all of you have heard these names: muscovite, chlorite and or garnet. So these are the constituents. Okay, now what is blue schist? The formation of blue schist: the blue schists are formed by low temperature high pressure regional metamorphism due to increases in temperature. As a result, due to increases temperature what happens is that, when the temperature rises, it happens that, kind of as a result of exhumation from depth. Okay, now blue schist forms by the metamorphism of basalt and rocks with similar composition at high pressures and low temperatures, approximately corresponding to a depth of 15 to 30 kilometers and 200 to 500 degrees Celsius. 200 to 500 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature range. Okay, now other point is that blue schists is that, let me add a page over here, that blue schist facies is determined by the particular temperature pressure, conditions required to metamorph basalt to form required to metamorphose basalt to form blue schist, felsic rocks and pellitic sediments which are subjected to blue schists faces conditions which will form different assembles with metamorphosed basalt. Okay, so there are four kind of this equilibrium assembles, that is basalts. Now what is basalt? Basalt contains the glaucophene plus lawsonite, epidote, lawsonite or epidote plus albite plus titanite plus minus garnet plus minus quartz plus quartz jadeite plus quartz. Then we have ultramafic rocks. It is made up of serpentinite, plus minus talc plus minus zosite. Then pelites, iron, magnesium, carfolite plus minus chloritoid plus minus kyanite plus zoisite plus minus pergasite or fengite plus minus albite plus minus quartz plus minus talc plus minus garnet. And then we have granites. It contains kyanite plus minus paragonite plus minus chlorite plus minus albite plus minus quartz plus minus paragasite and then we have limestone and marble. Limestones and marbles. No, this has calcite transforms. Calcite which transforms to aragonite at high pressure. But typically reverts to calcite when exhumed. So the correct option to this question, would be option number A, that is glaucophenite plus lawsonite, which we have achieved here, the blue schist facies. So we can write that correct option is A. So I hope you understood this video, and if you have any kinds of doubts or queries, then feel free to call us or WhatsApp us anytime at this number 9836793076, or you can also visit our website www.sauravsirclasses.com for further information regarding Saurav's classes. And for watching this video, a lot of thanks from my side. Thank you, students.